Welcome to Skredding. We're going to take you on a factory tour. Let's go and look inside. Follow me. Raw materials arrive at the factory and must pass quality testing before entering the plant. Raw materials are stored in silos until needed in production and are carefully assessed before being included in large-scale feed production. Raw materials are carefully dosed according to the formulation. The batch of ingredients has to be mixed before getting to the grinder. This is very important for grinder performance. The grinder's function is to reduce the particle size. Fish and shrimp require a small particle size for maximum digestion and optimal growth performance. The second mixer is used to homogenize after the grinder. Next is preconditioning. Specialized paddles mix the meal while water and steam are added to begin the cooking process. After preconditioning, it's time for extrusion. Extrusion is a continuous, high-temperature, fast cooking process. An extruder uses water, heat and pressure to squeeze the mix out through the die. Extrusion is a unique process used in food production, as it can quickly bind multiple ingredients together, making them food safe and palatable at a very high throughput. The dryer is where moisture is removed from the pellets. When water is removed, pellets become stronger, shelf life is increased, and space for oil is created. When the pellets are dry, an oil coater is used to apply fat to the pellets. Cooling is an important part of the process, and it is usually located after the coater. The main reason for cooling is to reduce the pellet temperature before packing. Packaging is the final step in the production process. The product is packed either into large bulk bags or smaller bags for stacking on pallets. Hope you enjoyed the tour. See you next time.